Hey everyone, how's my little Jabberwockies? I don't know. It's me. Who else would it be? And it's Penny. I mean, who else were you thinking was gonna be my co-star? And we've got the Scentsy Wiff box. It came late this month, which is kind of sad because now, like, when I put this out, you're only gonna have like a few days to get yourself one. Okay. Instead, because usually I get it early enough, where it gives you like a week or two. And it's a big old box this month, and it smells really good. So there's that. Usually I get it like on the 14th or the 15th. Let's see. It's a big old box, and it smells so good. Okay. We'll cover up Penny. No, she's the star. I'm a star. If you're on TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah. You a star? She said, yeah, that's not a bark box. Okay, so let's see what we got this month. Cute little card. She thought it was a bark box. Bring the garden mood indoors. Embrace the joy of lush botanicals no matter what the weather. For your February Wiff box, we handpicked a mini warmer and a variety of products in fragrances reminiscent of garden sunshine fruits and florals. Well, I do love fruits, and I can smell some fruit. So, we've got these cotton things. These are the cleanup. Oh. I thought, okay, cool. Okay, so sorry about that. I was pulling these out, and I was trying to figure out, I thought they were like this, but apparently you just rip off a little, and you stick it in your warmer to get the wax out, and then it cleans it at the same time, so that's kind of cool. They're the cotton cleanups. Let's see. And then we have this light from within burner. Let's see what it looks like. I love when they put the burners. It makes the box totally worth it. Because the little personal burners are about the same price as the box, which I believe is $35. So, all the parts. And these are like wall warmers, and they're also great for night lights. Yeah, see, it's like a little lattice design. I like that. That's cute. Of course, I have a million burners, and right now I'm like, do I get rid of the ones that I'm not using? Because I hate things in the house that I'm not, okay, hate's a strong word. I'm trying to not use that word. I dislike having things in the house that I don't use too often, unless they're like things you don't use. Or like a dress that, you know, I plan on wearing somewhere nice one day when there's somewhere nice to go. She left. Ooh, washer whiffs and Luna. I love washer whiffs. They're like fireworks, getting fireworks or whatever. But yeah, I have the Scentsy shampoo, the Scentsy laundry soap, and a bunch of washer whiffs. And the little dryer disc. Make your clothes smell divine. I have so many different. I was looking and I was like, I'd be okay not buying anything for laundry for probably about a year, because I have two big old things again, Moonlight Breeze, and then I have a thing of Tide, and I have two of the big old things of the Scentsy washer detergent, and then yeah, so only thing I'm gonna need is the fireworks or the whiffs. Ooh, this is raspberry hibiscus tea. And that is exactly, it smells like some raspberry bubblegum kind of. Yeah, that is, I am going to be putting this in the burner as soon as this video is done, because that is fantastic. That's why it was such a big old box, because of the burner. Ooh, Go-Go Mango Travel Twist. These are great for in your bathroom. And you can put a little stick on it and like just stick it in the back. Remember those back in the day? You just put them on the toilet or whatever. You can put them in garbage cans. You can just put them wherever. There we go. And you can control the scent. How much scent is getting put out. For a lot. For a little. For none at all. And that is a wonderful mango citrus kind of smell. That smells really, really good. I love this one. I'm really happy with everything so far. Tropic Nectar. There we go. Ooh, yes. I don't smell anything that's too floral, to be honest, and that's good for me. This has a little bit of floral, but it also has like some kind of fruit. Here, you want to smell it? No? Not a fan? It probably is. I probably don't even have to hold it that close for her. What about this one? Oh, that one smells good, huh? She likes that one. You like that one, huh? Do you like that one? High five? Yeah? Okay. She says high five. So, oh. Let everybody see your beautiful face. Don't hide it. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, Miss Penny. No mouthing. You'll know better. No mouthing. She's getting better with that. Okay, so that's the Scentsy box. Definitely worth the price. I'll put the information in the link or in the info. It's my party link. And I'm also going to tag my friend's YouTube channel. She has an ASMR channel. She made one last month. She wants to get to 50 subscribers so she can go live. And go check it out. And go check out the party. Let's help support her. And till next time. Laters.